The National Green Tribunal Act 2010, we have discussed this particular act during our discussion of environmental laws, was enacted in consonance with which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India? So, National Green Tribunal Act 2010 was enacted to ensure that the environmental laws or environmental cases are, are taken forward by a specialized quasi-judicial body called as National Green Tribunal. And that's why it tries to protect environment in India, and also it tries to make sure that various abiotic components of environment, that means air, water, etc., remains in the pristine or remains in the form which is useful for human beings and which does not lead to any harmful effects on the biotic components of the environment. That means NGT also tries cases, or it also takes cases related to pollution, right? So based upon NGT, we are trying to make sure that the environmental cases are carried forward or taken up by a specialized body called as NGT. And based upon that, there is timely judgments or timely those cases, environmental cases will be resolved by NGT. And hence, it is based upon the Article 21, which is right to life. So, right to life also consists of right to clean air. And in order to maintain clean air, we have to address the cases or those actions of various industries in India which are leading to pollution of air need to be addressed, and that is done by National Green Tribunal. So NGT takes those cases and they have the time frame of 6 months in which those cases are addressed. And hence, based upon NGT, we are trying to protect environment. And if environment is being protected, then right to life will also be ensured, which is mentioned under Article 21 of the Constitution. And hence, it is Article 21 and option A, statement A, which is correct for this particular question. So NGT was enacted based upon the provision of Article 21 mentioned in statement 1, and hence answer is A, 1 only. Consider the following statements. Animal Welfare Board of India. So this is one of the important bodies. Animal Welfare Board of India is established under the Environment Protection Act 1986. So this statement is incorrect statement because Animal Welfare Board of India is established under Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, and hence first statement is incorrect statement. Animal Welfare Board of India is not established under Environment Protection Act 1986, and hence first statement is incorrect. Second, National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA is a statutory body. So NTCA is one of the important authority which takes forward or which tries to achieve tiger conservation in India. And NTCA is established under Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and hence second statement is a correct statement. Third statement now. National Ganga River Basin Authority is chaired by the Prime Minister of India. So this statement is correct statement because National Ganga River Basin Authority is chaired by the Prime Minister of India, and hence statement 2 and 3 are correct mentioned in option B, and hence answer of this question is B.